Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about creating a Spotify account. So this is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So whether you have the Windows desktop application or you have it on your mobile device, all you have to do is just open up Spotify once you've downloaded it from the Google Play Store or from the desktop website, desktop web browser if you're on a computer, and you would select the sign up free button, and then you can either continue with an email address or you could sign in with Google. And if you already have an account, you could log in, but obviously that kind of defeats the purpose of this tutorial. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.